victog.com.
Chapter 6. Name of the chapter is Triangles. Triangles we are studying from the small classes itself. What is a triangle? You have to know the definition of a triangle. Triangles are simple closed figures having three sides. Triangles are simple closed figures having three sides. In this chapter, we are having a detailed study of triangles and its areas. That is the application. That is the application of this chapter. It is very useful for finding the area of a triangle. We are studying to find the area of triangle, and it is very useful for finding the areas of triangular plots. We have to find the area in our day-to-day life of many cases. In many cases, the areas of triangular plots must be found out. It is very helpful for us studying the areas of triangles. Learning outcomes. After studying this chapter, you will be able to understand the following concepts: definitions, examples, counter examples of similar triangles. Then, some simple proofs. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. We have proof of this fact in this chapter. Then, if a line divides two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. Then, if in two triangles the corresponding angles are equal, their corresponding sides are proportional and the two triangles are similar. Then next one is, if the corresponding sides of two triangles are proportional, their corresponding angles are also equal and hence the two triangles are similar. Next one is, if one angle of a triangle is equal to angle of another triangle and the sides including these angles are proportional, the two triangles are similar. These are some concepts and we are using these concepts for so many proofs. If a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of a right angle to the hypotenuse, the triangles on each side of the perpendicular are similar to the whole triangle and to each other. Next proof is, the ratio of the area of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. Important proof. Then, in a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. That means Pythagoras theorem. We are studying the proof of Pythagoras theorem also in this chapter. Next is, in a triangle, if the square of one side is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides, the angles opposite to the first side is a right angle. That means the converse of Pythagoras theorem. In Pythagoras theorem, the statement says that sum of the squares of base and altitude is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. And in the converse, they are giving the proportional sides and hypotenuse. They are saying that the sum of the squares of base and altitude is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. Then we are proving that the angle opposite to the hypotenuse is a right angle. The angle opposite the longest side is a right angle. That is the proof.